In this course, you will use the Arduino software as your programming tool. There are several ways to use the Arduino software, but the two common ways are using the Arduino Web Editor and using the Arduino Integrated Development Environment or IDE. In the Arduino Web Editor, you can code online using only a web browser and save your sketches in the cloud. Using the Arduino Integrated Development Environment or IDE, you can download it free of charge from the Arduino website and install it in your computer or laptop. In this course, we will use the Arduino IDE in all our mini projects. It has a very convenient library manager and it keeps track of the latest versions of the Arduino programming language. Apart from the Arduino IDE, you will also need a web browser. Any web browser will do, like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Internet Explorer. And of course, an internet connection. We will use this to access online resources such as documentation to various Arduino functions and libraries. For the hardware, you already have all you need in the Arduino Beginner Learning Bundle you purchased. You have the Arduino Sensor Kit base, which comes as a single printed circuit board or PCB with a Grove base shield and 10 various sensor and actuator modules around it. Thanks to its innovative design, all of the components are wired via traces on the PCB so that you don't have to use jumper wires. But if you want to, you can gently snap out or break out any module from the PCB and then use the supplied Grove cable to connect the broken out module to your Arduino. You also have an Arduino Uno compatible board with USB cable which you will use to upload your codes from the Arduino IDE and will attach to your sensor kit base via its shield pins. You also have additional modules like servo motor for a more precise rotational control of motor movement, a relay module used to control larger devices and appliances that would not be possible if directly connected to your Arduino, and DuPont jumper wires for connecting these external modules to your Arduino. We have included bonus mini projects in the course that utilize modules not included in your kit. These are the ultrasonic distance module and real-time clock or RTC module, which you can purchase separately. Let's have a tour around the Arduino sensor kit. Arduino sensor kit base has been co-developed by both Arduino and Seed Studio. It's a plug-and-play addition to the Arduino Uno. It includes 10 most commonly used sensors and actuator modules. All modules are pre-wired on the PCB, meaning no wiring is required. Essentially, everything you need is already in the sensor kit. You just need to plug the USB cable to your Arduino and then start programming in the Arduino IDE. But of course, if you want to break out or snap out the individual modules, you can actually do it because in the sensor kit, you see that the edges of the modules have dotted lines or perforation wherein you can just use a knife to cut it or move them gently up and down to remove the module out of this main board. Then after that, you can use the Grove cables supplied in the kit. So what are those modules included? You have the LED, Grove buzzer, Grove OLED display, Grove button, Grove rotary potentiometer, Grove sound sensor, Grove light sensor, Grove temperature and humidity, Grove 3-axis accelerometer, Grove air pressure sensor. Maybe you will ask, what's with the Grove? Grove is the name of the connector, this type of connector which has 4 pins. We can consider that ordinary sensor modules which do not have the Grove connector are non-Grove devices. For the LED, it's a simple light-emitting diode. The buzzer is a piezo buzzer. The OLED display, OLED stands for Organic LED. It's 0.96 inches, 128 by 64 dot resolution. It's monochrome, so it's not colored OLED. There's a push button. Okay, the button is a push button switch for human input interfaces. The rotary potentiometer is a knob which you can twist to the left, to the right for, again, for input interfaces. The light can detect light intensity. It can detect the intensity of the sun or the ambient light of the room. The sound, it detects the surrounding sound intensity. So it doesn't matter what type of sound, it just detects the intensity, the loudness. Temperature and humidity sensor. This is actually a DHT11 sensor. Air pressure sensor. This is a BME 280 sensor. Air pressure sensor also detects temperature, altitude, and air pressure, of course. And then the three-axis accelerometer or accelerator. It detects motion or movement. More discussion of this in the activities in Module 2. Then you have the case. Then you have the 6 Grove cables. Now, the additional modules you have are the Arduino Uno compatible board, the USB cable which you use to connect your Arduino to your laptop or PC. Then we have a one-channel relay module. This is used for controlling bigger devices like 12 volts valves or motors, or 220 volts appliances or fans, lights. Servo motor, the SG90. It's used for an accurate position and angle control of motorized devices. And male to male jumper wires and male to female jumper wires. These devices will be used later around Module 4 for the activities involving non-Grove devices. So how do we connect the Arduino to our sensor kit base? If this is our sensor kit base, and this is our Arduino, you just connect it, plug it at the back. There's pins there. Okay. Then you connect your USB cable. Then connect to your computer. Let's set up our Arduino software. First, we need to download our Arduino IDE. In any browser, you can just search in Google Arduino software download. Then you will see this from the Arduino website, arduino.cc, download Arduino software. Just click it. So the link is actually arduino.cc/en/software. So here you have an option to use the Arduino web editor, wherein you can edit your code online and save your sketches in the cloud, or download the Arduino IDE. In our case, in this training, we will use the Arduino IDE in our computer. So we download the latest version. It's actually the latest one. And if you're using Windows or Linux or Mac OS, just choose. If you want to contribute, so let's just download. So after downloading, you can click it and then just install it. So in my case, it's already installed. So just press OK for if this is your first time to install the Arduino IDE. After installation, open your Arduino IDE. So it looks like this. You will see that you have some menu over here on the top. Then some sub-menus over here with icons. So this is your code editor where we edit our codes. For our first test, we need to check if after plugging in the Arduino through our USB cable, let's see if our computer has detected the Arduino. So for most computers or laptops, they will detect the Arduino that comes with the bundle kit. This Arduino uses the CH340G driver. One way to check it is go to board and then click on Arduino Genuino Uno, and then tools again, port. Make sure you see the COM number with the Arduino Genuino Uno. It means that in my case, COM4 is my Arduino. So I click it, okay? And then I click on compile, this one, the check. So compilation or compiling a sketch means your human readable code, which is right here, is being translated into machine or binary code. You see the progress bar over here. Then done compiling. It means that there's no error in our code. If our code has errors, then it will display here error. But in this case, there is no error. To upload this code to our Arduino, just click the next icon, which is the arrow to the right. This is upload. Click it. Upload means binary file of our Arduino is now transferred to our board. So you see here, done uploading. This way, we can check that there's no problem with our Arduino Uno board. Now, if by checking here and then port, you can't see anything, you don't see any COM and then number, or you see COM something number, but you don't see your Arduino Genuino Uno, it means that your computer hasn't detected your Arduino Uno. So you need to install the CH340 drivers. Now, to download it, just go to this link, bit.ly/ch340 drivers. It will link to Create Labs Google Drive, and you will see here different options depending on your operating system. So if you are using Windows, just click this, Win64. Okay, so just download the folder, download. Okay, so it's already downloaded. So we save it. Just remember where you save it. I saved it in my desktop. Okay, so let's go to my desktop. It's over here. So just unzip it, extract files. So it's already here. Go inside the folder and click the setup. Okay. Make sure that while you're doing this, your Arduino is connected to your laptop. So this one, just click install. Okay, it's already installed in my device. So in your case, after installing this, you will see a successful installation. Okay. Now you go back to your Arduino and then repeat the process. Tools, board, check Arduino Genuino Uno, and then tools, port. Now, if you have successfully installed the driver, then you will see here the COM port for your Arduino. Just click it, then click upload. If there are no problems uploading, it will show here done uploading, then you're good to go for the next activities.